Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Welcome to this tutorial for the LSP Hallmark Christmas and other Evoto presets. Beautiful image up on my screen from Amy at Slinky Photography. Amy sent us in a whole mini series of these. They are so cute, these images. Really beautiful. I love a white Christmas setup. So with this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to choose your presets and then how to sync them to the other images. So let's dive in and get started. I'm just going to crop this image in a little bit and line it up. Just so we can get a bit of a balance going on there. Let's just crop this side in too. Okay. Next up, I'm going to come in to the Hallmark. I know which one I'm going to use. I'm going to try Snowball on this one because Snowball is for your whiter images. Let's see what Snowball does. Oh, look at that. Instant, before and after. And you can see this takes care of any lens distortion. It heals and fixes the skin. It balances out for that beautiful glowing white Christmas image. Really, really beautiful. Don't need to go anything with the image base sections here. We're into our individual sections now. You can watch tutorial number 1 for how to use these properly, how to get set up with them. Literally you just add them in and go. It's that simple, but video tutorial number 1 will show you step by step how to do that. I'm just coming down to the background section and I'm going to potentially try Whites Purify. And what that will do, it will just help balance out those whites. Can you see there, before and after? It's just balanced out the white tones in our background before and after. I'm just going to come on the healing tool super quickly and just heal this area here and hit OK. And I'm wondering, do we need a finishing grade? No, we don't. I might try Dark Edge because here you see that's quite bright and we want to bring the lights in. So we have a before and an after there. And we're really bringing that light into our subject. Now with these presets, the exposure will not be changed at all in your image. So you can then go in manually and you can change the exposure how it's meant to be. Because sometimes we can shoot a bit dark, especially when we're back-to-back minis, or you might overexpose a little bit. So you can tweak your own exposure and your own white balance here as well. Because the presets won't change that. So there's our before and after. Now what we're going to do is hold down Shift and select the other images from that gallery and hit sync. And what that's going to do, instead of you applying these steps every time, which even though that is really, really quick, it's like a minute or 2 max for you to play around with it, it's now synchronizing these effects to all of the images. So this is just loading up now. I don't have to click anything. My hand is not on the mouse and boom, we're done. So before and after. So if you've got like 100 images, you can just change one and then sync them. I don't like to sync crop at all because, you know, different images are shot from different angles. So you can just go in and crop. You can use Lightroom as well to crop these. You can run into Photoshop if you need to. I'm just going to crop this one in a little bit there. And in fact, with this one, I'm going to show you something as well while we're here. Let's just straighten this one out a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna see if we can heal this background a little bit. If not, you know, you can do that in Photoshop afterwards. So we're on the spot healing tool in Evoto. I'm just gonna, first of all, with spot healing tool, I like to select the entire area that I want to change first and just see what it does, and then we can always go in like this and just tweak and change these little bits. You also have a patch tool and a clone stamp that you can use if you wanted to, just to tidy up any last bit. So a patch tool, same as Photoshop, you just drag a bit and you drag it to the area where you want to replace the texture. Oh, what's gone on there? Just go back on the healing for a moment there. Sometimes you do get these little areas that just don't want to do it, but it's okay. I find big area first and then just go in gently, dab about a little bit and hit OK. It's just loading our settings back on again. It takes just a few seconds and then we have before and after. And these effects have synchronized to the entire gallery. So thank you, Amy, so much for for sending these images in. I absolutely love them, and I love working with a variety of images just to make sure they're going to work for everybody. So I really appreciate that. Thank you. And if you're using Hallmark Photoshop Actions, the Hallmark Evoto presets, let me know in the LSP Facebook group, because I'd love to see what you're doing with these. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.